Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I believe most of you have tried dumplings. It's a very popular food in China, especially for Chinese New Year. In Japan, dumplings are called gyoza, so it's really popular in East Asia. But do you know dumpling it has a sister, which is even more popular in China because it has developed many different styles in different regions. Its name is baozi. So today I'm going to show you how to make baozi at home. As recorded in books of the Song dynasty, baozi was used for the buns with fillings. So the differences between baozi and mantou is that mantou has no fillings, but baozi does. Nowadays, baozi has many variations in different regions. In Shanghai, it's called Xiaolongbao, in English, soup dumpling. It's a small meat-filled baozi containing a juicy broth. This is actually my favorite type. It's really delicious. Cantonese like to stuff the baozi with sweet yellow custard. It's kind of a breakfast food or snack. You can find it almost in every dim sum restaurant. As in my hometown, Tianjin, baozi is such a popular food that we even have a restaurant chain that is well known across the country. Many tourists come to visit Tianjin just for baozi. Here I found a hilarious video to show you how skilled these people are making baozi. Wow! So let's get started. First, I want to show you the vegetables that I'm going to use for making the fillings today. This green vegetable is called garlic chive. It is also known as Asian chive or Chinese leek. This is because they're native to southwestern China, have been around for more than 4,000 years. It is also very popular in Japan and Korea. I got this one from a local Korean supermarket. These brown ones are wood ear mushrooms. They are usually dried, so I already used some water to soak them for about 30 minutes beforehand. Wood ear mushrooms contain iron, protein, fiber, and vitamins B1 and B2. It is commonly used in Asian cuisine. Now let's prepare the dough. We use some warm water, but not too warm because the yeast will die between 50 to 55 degrees. Then we mix the water and the yeast together. We can add some salt to the flour to tighten the gluten structure. Then knead the dough for about 10 minutes. The dough should be soft, not sticky, and not too firm. Now we cover or wrap the dough and put it in a warm place to rise. It takes about 30 minutes to 1 hour, depends on room temperature. So I will use this time to prepare the vegetables. So I chopped the chives and wood ear mushrooms and added some scrambled eggs to add some flavors. Divide the dough into some small and equal pieces. Take each dough ball and with a rolling pin, roll it from the edge towards the center. The goal is to flatten the dough into a round circle with a thinner edge and thicker center. Then add some filling. Let's start to fold it. This is the most difficult but most fun part. The goal is to make it all the way around the circle until you sealed it at the top. Steam for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off the heat and keep the lid on. Let the baozi rest for 5 minutes before opening the lid. Missing this step will cause the baozi to collapse. You can serve the baozi with spicy mustard, hot sauce, or vinegar. Hope you all had fun making baozi. If you like this video or like topics about China, please subscribe my channel. I'll release new videos every week. Thank you for your support. Bye now!